Witnesses took the stand today on day 11 of Sean Diddy Combs' federal sex trafficking trial. Jurors hearing from a Los Angeles arson investigator, a police officer, and a former stylist for both Combs and his ex, Cassie Ventura. The National News Desk, Jeff Harris, joins us. Lots of explosive testimony to unpack, Jeff, including alleged threats to release freak-off tapes. What did the witnesses say?
One of them, Deontay Nash, a former stylist for Combs and Ventura, telling jurors earlier today he witnessed Combs threaten to release sex tapes with her on them. Testifying, Combs said he would first release them to where her parents work in order to get them fired. Nash testifying Wednesday he witnessed Combs threat Ventura and physically abuse her, adding Combs was violent toward him on multiple occasions, including in 2013 when he says Combs threw him on a parked car, but didn't report the violence out of fear.
Being able to quell any doubts in the jurors' minds that this is something that actually happened because they didn't go to the police sooner.
Nash testifying Combs and Ventura would go to a hotel about once a week, often seeing her pack sex toys in a duffel bag. The stylist saying Ventura told him she didn't want to go, telling the jury she did because he, Combs, wanted her to. Lance Jimenez, an LA arson investigator, also taking the stand, testifying he responded to Kid Cudi's home in 2012 to investigate a fire set to the rapper's car, saying there was a bottle on the front seat and there was like a cloth, a handkerchief, on the center console that was burned. Jimenez testifying he believes someone targeted the Porsche, which had a cut in the canvas roof, telling jurors partial DNA results were found on the bottle consistent with a female.
I would make that all the more evidence that this was an enterprise and not just Diddy Diddy directing things and not just Diddy doing these things himself.
Now, the defense also unsuccessfully moved for a mistrial, claiming misconduct by the prosecution after Jimenez discussed finding fingerprints during their initial sweep of Kid Cudi's home in 2011, evidence that was later destroyed in 2012. Reporting for the National News Desk, I'm Jeff Harris.